Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Space was just a word made up by someone who's afraid to get to. Okay, so now that you're close enough, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I need a mirror, a small mirror. Damn, I did not think this through. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bobo Afrika, and if you like this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button and the bell button next to it, which is at this rate I should just be blowing someone off. If you do like this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button and the notification button right next to it, which is the little bell you see right there. So today's video is something a bit out of the usual that I normally do. I'm here to show you guys how to do lash application. I've been struggling for the longest time with lash application, and for those fellow sisters who've been having the same struggle, this is literally the easiest way you're gonna know how to do it. So first of all, I'm just gonna show you what I'm working with. I decided to go with, that's hella bright, but I decided to go with this. You can see it. Okay, I have the Minx lashes over here too, long ones and short ones. First of all, I'd like to advise for first time lash users, when you're choosing the type of lashes to use, you have to go for something thick, okay? Something with a bit of body. You don't want to put it on then have it look moja moja, okay? So I'm gonna go with these short ones. And if you're a new learner also, I would recommend this glue. It's called hair bonding glue. It's normally used mostly in salons, but I would recommend this over Duo. I used to use Duo, but it never used to do the work for me. Mostly if you're a beginner, that is not the way to go, because it goes white before it goes black, and then when you apply it, sometimes I feel like the white never just disappears. So I'm gonna use my clipper right here to apply the glue on my lash. Just apply a thin layer first. Okay, first you do a thin layer, then you wait for it to dry a bit. So you don't normally apply it immediately because you need it to like dry a bit into a paste, then you can apply it on your lashes. If you go in when it's still wet, it could mess your eyeliner. So when you're doing lashes, it's always advisable to go in with eyeliner first, just to give it body and, you know, to show it where it's gonna land, okay? So once that first layer is done, I normally go in with a second layer, guys. Don't even ask me why, I just do, because it's a thin layer, okay? As this is drying, I just want to ask you guys how this whole quarantine time is going for you. I need a cutter. 1 second. Okay, it goes without saying that if your eye distance from here to here is a bit short, you just have to like adjust the liner according to what would work for you. You know, you don't want to have a lash that's extending to, you know, beyond your eye. Girl, you have to grab the lash by the hair, okay? Not by the, what's it called? What's this? Not by the band. Not by the band, but by the hairs, okay? See? Do you guys want to move up? No, I'm gonna move you guys just a bit more closer because we're focusing. Space was just a word made up by someone who's afraid to get to. Okay, so now that you're close enough, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I need a mirror, a small mirror. Damn, I did not think this through. This is my first ever makeup tutorial, guys. If I keep doing them. I got a couple of suggestions yesterday from my gram. Guys want me to teach them how to do eyebrows, and I will. So have your mirror, I'm gonna use this over here, and your mirror needs to be not at 180 degree, but it needs to be lower, slanted. Okay, 1 second, let me take you guys back out there. Before I zoom in back in, I need to give you guys one tip. Okay, tip number one: when you're using your mirror shouldn't be 180 degrees from you, it should be 45 degrees. Okay, it needs to be at a slanted point, like you need to be looking down so that you're able to see what you're doing. If you're doing it like this, you won't get it right. If you're doing it like this, you won't get it right. Your mirror has to be down, your lid needs to be almost shut as you're doing this. Okay, so move closer. It's a fucking YouTube video, baby. My glue has dried into a paste, so it's ready to go. I'm just gonna hold it by the hairs and not by the band. I like holding it right at the center to give me more control, and just like that I'm gonna place it right at the middle. Okay, hold it there for a bit. Okay, so once it's stuck at the center, you know, start putting it, like sticking the rest of it in. This is a little hard. Okay, so already it's stuck end to end. You have to really work on your ends and make sure your ends like touch the skin, because sababu I hate it when like it's during the day, like the day has gone by just a bit, then you see your lashes lifting from the corners. That's just normally a message for me to go home. I don't care if you're buying me food, I don't care if there's free cocktails coming after that. I'm going to go home because no one goes anywhere with lash glue anyway. So, oh, sorry. Then, sorry guys, I'm doing this all on my own. So once it's stuck on there, you use your, I normally use this, I don't know what it's called, I normally call it a tweezer. So I use this to like press and combine my lashes with the fake lashes. And really, I did that within seconds. Ooh. These lashes are really thick. I've never tried them on before. You see that? You see that? Easy 1 to 3 steps. So I'm gonna go and do the other eye, and I think I'm gonna do a voiceover for this because I'm really finding it hard to talk and do this at the same time. Over time I'm gonna learn. So the other lash has, the first layer of glue has dried. As I said, I like going in with 2 layers. Guys, this is really easy. You need to try this. So the trick is to hold the lash by the hair. And I think the major mistake I used to make for the longest time was holding it by the band. I used to hold it hapa kwa kona, then I put it, and then it just used to mess up my liner, and then it just messes up my day, and then I give up on lashes. So I need to get the glue on my corners right, because girl, let me tell you, the corner is where it matters. It could lift a bit somewhere else, but as long as the corners are fine, you're good to go. Like it wouldn't be that recognizable, but when it lifts on the corner and then it becomes like a bit straight, it's like, what are we doing here? So let's do this. Okay, I need my eyes open. First you place it at the center. Once you've placed it at the center, you come in and stick. Oh. crying. Sometimes when I concentrate too hard, my eyes tear up. It's a hazard, baby.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here.
Okay, so now my lashes are on and my look is complete. So I won't even lie, it was a bit hard because I ended up crying a bit and I had to do this eye again and then put it together. So the trick is you hold the lash by the hair, you place it on. 2, eyeliner, you have to put enough eyeliner on the place where you're gonna place your eyelash. 3, you can either use your finger to pinch it together with your lash once you place the eyelash on, or you can buy this tool. I got this from Dubois. For 150 shillings. That is $1 if you're talking dollars. Okay, so for beginners, I wouldn't advise that you go for the expensive lashes I normally see being sold on these pages, going for 400 shillings and above, because let me chances are high you're gonna get it wrong the first few times. So I'd advise you buy this packs, and it's good stuff. I think it's too shiny because it's inside the box. Let me all right, it's not happening. I'll give you guys a lash tour and maybe a makeup tour in the same video, but if you're a beginner, go for those 100 bob ones, those 150 lashes, and just keep training yourself with them, and within no time you're gonna know how to do it better. My look may not be as perfect, but I'm sure like with more practice and within, you know, just, you know, the more I do it, the better I'm gonna be at it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if this was helpful to you. And if you want me to show you the eyebrow tutorial, okay, let me get into this for a second. I've had this request so many times. I'm not even kidding. Like, I've had it so many times over the years because I've known how to do my eyebrows for a minute, okay? And I've wanted to do a video on it, but my main issue is when I'm doing my eyebrow, I'm normally this close to the mirror. I'm normally so close to like just, so I'm like, where will I put the camera? Anyways, but I'm gonna find a way around it and just do that for you guys. And if you like this makeup video, then maybe I can do more. It's my first time trying out this look. I went for the purple. I did a purple. There's so many colors in here, but I really like how it came out. If you need tips and tricks on how to do any of what you see, if it's contouring, if it's lashes, if it's eyebrows, if it's eyeshadow, and if it's foundation, which is also like a huge other topic, just leave me a comment down below and ask me, and I'll try and do a video on it. If you want to see the eyebrow video, give me 1,000 likes on this video and I shall do a eyebrow tutorial. I said 1,000 because I need this to, like, I'm hoping not to do it because I don't know, it's hard. I've literally tried shooting the eyebrow tutorial before. It's hard for me to do it. So if you guys give me 1,000 likes, I'm gonna challenge myself and put that on the table. So without further ado, let me sign off.